Hi everyone, welcome back to Ashley's Kitchen. Today we are making braised pork ribs with corn and potatoes. Just look at this, full of the bone ribs, tender potatoes, and sweet corn soaking up all that rich broth. It smells incredible. Now let's get everything ready. First, cut your potatoes into nice chunky pieces. Same with the sweet corn. Slice it into sections. Carrots too, cut them into big bite-sized chunks. For aromatics, we will need big pieces of scallion, slices of ginger, star onions, and some dried chilies. And here I've got about 1.4 kilograms of pork ribs, already chopped and washed. Nice and even, ready to go. Now let's blanch the ribs. Start with cold water in the wok. Add 1 tablespoon of cooking wine and bring it up to a boil. Let it go for 3 to 5 minutes. Take the ribs out and then pour in some warm or hot water to rinse the ribs. Never use cold water, or the meat will tighten up. Heat some oil in the wok. Toss in aromatic first. Let them sizzle and release all that fragrance. Then add in the ribs. Stir fry until the moisture cooks off. This step is key. It gets rid of any remaining gaminess and locks in that meaty flavor. Now season with 1 tablespoon of cooking wine, 2 tablespoons of light soy sauce, half a tablespoon of dark soy sauce for color, and about 5 grams of oyster sauce. Stir everything until the ribs are glossy and coated with flavor. Next, pour in enough hot water to just cover the ribs. At first, leave the lid open and let it simmer for about 3 to 5 minutes. Then cover with the lid and let it braise gently for about 30 minutes. Okay, time's up. Open the lid. And let's fish out those aromatics. Now add in the corn, potatoes, and carrots. Season with 2.5 teaspoons of salt and 2.5 teaspoons of MSG. Give it all a good stir. Bring it back to a boil over high heat. Then turn it down to low. Cover and let it cook for another 15 to 20 minutes. Alright, let's check. The potatoes are soft, almost melting, and the ribs are completely tender. Time to serve this up. Just look at these 4 apart ribs, sweet corn, tender potatoes, all braised together in one pot. I've got to taste this. Wow, the flavor is unbelievable. The ribs are soft, the broth has soaked into everything, and it's just a pure comfort. Who won't be satisfied with a dish like this? Try it at home, you are gonna love it. Thanks for watching. See you next time.